Funnel AI. This creates entire lead generation funnels from one single prompt. And the best part about all of this is that you don't need to write code. You don't need to piece together loads of different other tools. You just turn it on and then it goes to work. This is something that actually really gets me excited because it makes building funnels so easy to do. And this is where GoHighLevel have it really different to other funnel builders. So typically with other AI funnel builders, you will go onto there and you will just, type in whatever you want and it will come up with a really bland option. GoHighLevel used to have it like this. I never used it when it first came out because genuinely it wasn't that good. Don't tell them I said that. But now it is really, really good. So you would go on and you would say, can you create this funnel for me? And it would just be basic. It's like, we wouldn't actually use that. But the great thing about this now is that GoHighLevel have actually partnered with one of the best funnel builders in the industry. So the design that's coming back is really, really strong. They're really built to convert really well, but also it's coupled with a really good funnel builder, a kind of standard funnel builder. So it means that you can use the AI to do the front end piece of it. And then any changes that you make, you can just go in and drag and drop and do whatever you want. So it's a really great way of building these funnels now. You can also do it with website AI as well. And it's a really interactive way of doing it. So loads that we can do with funnel AI. Some people genuinely would pay thousands of pounds for these kind of funnels. And now you can do it super easily with funnel AI. So maybe you're thinking, who am I to be talking about this? So I'm actually an ex-professional dancer, which I know doesn't make any sense at all. But now I'm an AI and automation consultant. I own a GoHighLevel SaaS. I built an agency to 50K a month in 6 months. And I recently spoke at the GoHighLevel Summit in Dallas on their AI track. But most importantly, I'm a mum of 2 young kids. So everything that I do is around creating more time and leveraging my time. And that's why I absolutely love all of these AI tools. So before we get into it, there's a couple of things that I want you to do first. First of all, I want you to hit the like button. This tells YouTube that you like this video, that you want more content like this. And also it gives me a little bit of love as well, which is always good. The second thing is to download this video. Now, this whole training is not like a just watch it once and forget it. So click the download button and then you can watch this even when you don't have Wi-Fi. Third one is drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what business are you in, how long have you been in this business, and what would you really love to get out of this? And of course, anything that I don't cover in this video, make sure that you let me know because I'm always going to be doing a second part and these videos are all for you. So I want to make sure that you're getting everything that you need in order to move forward. And lastly, if this video helps you decide that GoHighLevel is the platform for you and you want to get signed up to it, all I ask is that you use my affiliate link below. So if you click the link below, you can get a 30-day free trial. Normally you get 14 days, but you get 30 days with my link and it means that you can try it out, see how you like it. And when you join through my affiliate link, it also means you're going to get added to my community. So you get access to all of my courses, weekly live coaching with me, my whole community, all my templates and snapshots and things like that. So if you are thinking about joining GoHighLevel, then definitely click that link to get access to all of that. If you're already with GoHighLevel and you want to upgrade your account, then you can also use my affiliate link and that will also give you access to my community as well. Or if you are already part of GoHighLevel and you don't want to upgrade, you can click the link below and you can also join my community. So let's dive in and let's start building a funnel. Okay, so what we're going to do is head over to sites. So you basically got 2 sections of the AI funnel builder. You've got assist and you've got build. Assist is where you're just going to put in some information in here and it's going to generate the funnel for you. Or you've got build, which is much more of a kind of prompt based one. So I'm going to show you how to do the 2 things. So let's start with assist first of all. So you're going to name the funnel page. So let's just call it test. Business niche, you can choose whichever you want. Goal of this funnel, we're going to choose, we want to generate leads. Target audience, so you've got individuals, you've got small businesses, enterprise, students, whatever it is that you want. What are you offering? We are going to offer an ebook or a guide, and then you can click generate. So you can see it's actually auto-populated a prompt. So if you don't know how to prompt, it is going to write the prompt for you. How cool is that? Normally, if you go to Lovable or Replit or something like that, you're going to write the prompt yourself. But here we've got all of our tags here, so we're going to click generate. Now, if you wanted to add anything else there, I should have just shown you that there, but you would have seen the paperclip. If there's anything else that you wanted to add, maybe you've got an image of the ebook, maybe you've got something else about your business, then you can just add it to the attachments and you can add it there. And you can see everything that it's doing here. So it's creating the design tokens and visual theme, creating the SEO titles and descriptions, drafting. This is so good. Honestly, every time I come onto GoHighLevel, I feel like they build new stuff. There is cool shit happening all the time. Drafting the text for each section. This is what's happening now. So you can see it's generating the nav section. Now it's doing the hero section, now the logos, now the benefits, now the about section, now the process. So it's going through absolutely everything that you need. Another option though is if you want to go to build, then you could actually input your own copy. So it's not a basic prompt like this. You can have a much more in-depth prompt. So if you want to do that, what I would do is go to ChatGPT. And on another video that I've got, I teach you how to create custom GPT. So you could create an expert copywriter custom GPT. You could go into that first, get it to generate all the copy that you want on your landing page, copy that, and then put that into the prompt. So I go over to like my sales growth strategist, and this is my copywriter, and it generates all of my copy for all of these things. So as I said, I'm not going to go into that now because I've got a whole video that shows you how to do that. But once you've got that copy, you can just copy that, come back over into here, put it in the build section and say, can you use this copy? And then you would just paste it in the bottom there. And then you're going to get much more kind of in-depth copywriting that's true to your brand voice, to who you are, a bit more background. But if you are just starting out with this and you just want to get a kind of template up there, then this is the best place to start it. Now, one thing to remember is that when you're generating these pages, oh, we got a page. When it's generating these pages, it's going to use your AI tokens. So it's going to use the tokens that we spoke about before. So it is going to cost you money to do this unless you're on the unlimited plan. I just wanted to give you that little heads up. So again, the more information that you put in the beginning, the better this is going to be. We did a really, really basic one then, but you can add more to the text. So you could say, this is the name of the ebook. Here is the picture of the ebook. This is who it's for. What they're going to get when they download it. You could even upload the ebook if you want to. If it's in a PDF form, for example, it's going to be able to read it and know exactly what to put in here. But you can go here and see everything that is done. So that's a nice template page, but obviously we want to make sure that it's much better. So let's go back to assist and let's give it some more stuff. So let's say, okay, can you make it more feminine and less corporate? It's going to work on my request. What's it going to come back with? So if you're not techie at all, if you don't want to be clicking on these things and moving things around and things like that, then you can come back here and it's going to, you can just keep talking to it. You may find that actually this is a good starting point, but you kind of want to jump in and do stuff yourself. So you can see it's doing all of this now. It's changing, making all of these changes. And there we go. So they've gone through, they've made it more feminine. They've obviously changed the font, they've changed the colors and things like that. Again, I really didn't do a good job of prompting this very well. So I didn't give it anything. I didn't tell it anything about my business. I didn't give it my logo. So this is why the output of this is quite basic. But had you put in the work in the beginning, in that first prompt that we just spoke about, this one here, had you given it more here, then the output of this would be even better. So I've actually done it before where I put in loads of stuff. I've had a brilliant page come out and it's literally ready to go. But what you can do is if there's bits that you now want to change, you can just cross off this AI assist and then you're back to the general funnel builder. So if you want to come in here and you want to change, you know, what it says here, if you want to change what it says here, whatever it is that you want to do, you can actually just come in and change all of those things. So how I tend to use Funnel AI is in the beginning, I give it much better prompting than I just did. I use it to generate the bulk of my page. So I'm happy with the structure, how it flows, everything like that. Again, this has been built by actual funnel builders. So they understand the psychology of funnels. They understand what should go in everything. Instead of kind of coming into layers and adding things on all the time, I tend to use it just for the beginning. And then I come in here and just change any bits that I want. I find it a little bit quicker to just come in and tweak it than to do the whole thing going back and forth with the Funnel AI. But this is so quick and easy. And once you put in your brand colors and everything like that, then your first output, as I said, if you put in more in the beginning, you're going to get more on the as an output. If you did that in the first place, then this output would be even better. So I love Funnel AI. I never used to use it before. Now I use it all the time. I really love it. And yeah, just like anything, if you put crap in, you're going to get crap out. So just make sure that you give it some good juice right in the beginning, and then you're going to get some good stuff coming out. Now, if you sign up to High Level through my affiliate link below, or if you upgrade your existing account through me, you're going to unlock access to my private AI and automation community, which is made for more AI membership. Now, with this, you're going to get my complete snapshot library, all of my training videos, all of my templates, all of my workflows. I also give you all of my courses on all the other AI foundational trainings as well. So prompting and vibe coding and things like that. So if you really want to get involved in the AI space, it's a great place to be. Plus, I will also teach you how to become an AI consultant and sell AI audits for businesses. So if you want to have access to all of that, you can join my community. I do weekly live coaching. There's an amazing community of other people that are doing it. You get access to all of my courses, and it's an amazing space to be. Now, if you're already with High Level and you want to be part of this space and you want to have access to all of that, that's not a problem. You can still access. Below is a link to join my community. You just pay a small monthly membership, and then you'll also be able to join as well. So if you are ready to stop duct taping your business altogether and you want to start scaling smart with systems that work while you sleep, then hit that link or if you want to capitalize on this huge AI gold rush that we're in and you want to learn how to become an AI consultant, then click the link below. You can join the community, or again, as I said, sign up through my affiliate link, and I cannot wait to see you in there. So if you love this video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments below what you want more of. Is there something that I missed? Is there something that you want in the next video? But also let me know what you took away from this. I really love reading your comments. So that is it. I can't wait to see you in the community. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye.